Hello, there's no tricks or treats here. No tricks or treat here, guys, just brand new technology that really does take us into the 21st century. This is the brand new ColorView Smart Hybrid camera in turbo. Yep, you've seen the IP version, we now have it in turbo, and we are super excited to be able to make this video with this brand new technology, and we are going to fit it onto our turbo system in our demo room and give you a quick run through. So let me just reposition this microphone, because I was warming that mask. Let me just reposition it. Good old Rode microphones. So we have ColorView IR in the same camera. Now you saw the video previously. If you didn't, make sure you hit that subscribe button and go watch the previous content. We've already done a video showing you the benefit of this fantastic technology, cutting edge, really aids your customer benefit, gives your customer benefit from using the technology of ColorView, so the white light and that crystal clear, lovely, clean, colourful image, really vivid, but also the benefit of IR. So a lot of people don't particularly like white light on continually, so the white light will come on when an object, a person or vehicle is detected, like the IP version. The white light comes on, gives you that benefit, acts as a deterrent, bit of a health and safety aid as well. So really like a little mini security floodlight. Technology comes on, you see the scene much better and all of the detail in it. When the object goes, it goes back into IR mode, so you get a crystal clean image with infrared, but it is more subtle. What's not to like about that? So two technologies in one housing. So this is, I'll just put it a bit closer. This is the black version, it's available in white and black. There's turret versions like this in white and black. There's 2.8mm, 4mm. They're all 3K, so effectively just over 5 megapixel. They are fixed lens. This is fixed lens. There is a bullet version as well. So if you don't particularly want to use the turret and you want to use a bullet because you like the bullet more, it gives you more versatility, or you just like to be a little bit more overt than covert, the bullet is also available. So in the box, really simple. So again, it's very recyclable. All of their new product ranges are coming out like eco-friendly. So fully recyclable box, you know, bit of paper, we don't need that. Again, all cardboard packaging now. So that foam packaging, which we're used to, horrible stuff, the polystyrene type styrofoam is all gone. So it's all secured in a nice cardboard, ready to recycle box. So screws and things, you know what we like to do with them. We have a back plate. So you have the drill template, which you stick, fix, go. There's the mounting back plate for this particular product. So again, it is in black. Ooh. Now I'm going to be TikTok famous because I took a lovely bit of wrapper off that camera. Really well made, very similar to the existing turret camera. So you can see there, it's almost identical. It is actually probably a little bit shallower, which is really nice to see. So we're going to swap this one in particular, which is a ColorView camera, to put this new camera on there. And you can see there, if I take it at close, 2.8mm lens, and you've got the white light and infrared bar down the bottom. Just about see it there. You will see this when we put it up. So with the, in action, I've blacked out the demo room using actual blackout foil on the window, so it does get nice and dark in here as well. So pre-made lead, as you can do, 12 volt DC, and it's got the BNC there, turbo. Fit it over here, and then simply connect it like that onto that back plate, and then adjust the camera as needed. Very simple to do. So we are going to change that camera over. So give me 2 minutes, I'll stop the video, and then I'll restart it, the camera will be fitted, and then we'll walk through. It's that one there, so if we get this ready. Whoop. That one there, as you can see, I can just move it around. We're gonna change it to this new 5 megapixel. We do have the ultra compact. It's gone behind there, my bad. So this ultra compact DVR as well. It is fitted on there, so it's this so it's a 2-in-1 video, guys. It's the SSD all-in-one, 1 terabyte SSD fitted. So it's an all-in-one E-DVR series. We've already got that fitted, done a separate video on this. This is 3K ready, so it will take the 5 megapixel cameras. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I fitted the camera. What a great use of technology using that ultra small all-in-one E-DVR 4-channel with a built-in 1TB SSD and this brand new smart hybrid light technology. What a fantastic solution for your residential customers or small commercial. We won't exclude them either. I've just logged in via the web browser. I'm going to show you something you need to bear in mind. You need to set a functionality on the camera. So we've connected the camera, as I said. And we're now going to set the functionality of the camera. What we will do, if you notice that the camera went into infrared mode, I just turned the lights off to make sure that this would, to make sure it's dark enough really to make the change. And when I crossed the line, the colour view turns on, and it was just coincidental that we were in that time period of that change. Okay, so very simple to do. What I will do, let me just change it to full screen. Do camera 4. This first step, or this step, is very crucial. 2 ways you can do it. You can do it on the local GUI. So if you're on the local GUI, you can select the PTZ controller. You can then select the menu button and follow the exact same process I'm going to show you. If you're through the web browser, like I am here, for purposes of demonstration, I actually find it easy to do it this way personally anyway. This is how you do it. So call the camera full screen on the web browser of your choice. Iris open is the enter key, just remember that. So we're going to call the menu using this menu button here, and it calls the on-screen menu for the turbo camera. Most turbo cameras do have an on-screen menu, which you can call and adjust some settings in this way. This step is crucial. So the video format already comes out as 3K20, 5 megapixel effectively. If you're using a HUHI or HDHI recorder, this format is fine. First thing you need to do is scroll down using the PTZ control buttons to light settings and select enter. Lighting mode, by default, will come out as white light. It comes out as color view, which is what everybody is used to, and the default operating mode is color view. So when it's dark enough, the white light comes on to give you that great color enhanced image. Now, to use the smart hybrid mode, we need to change that to smart. You can select IR only, so if you want the camera to be an infrared camera only, you can do that. Or leaving it as smart, or changing it to smart, should I say, will enable the functionality to be infrared in 90% of its normal operating application, and then when a line crossing, or like I have there, or an intrusion area is triggered by a vehicle or human, the white light comes on. Like I said, it gives you that color image while that activity is there. When the object leaves the area, after about a minute, the infrared will kick back in again and normality returns. What a great function. So we've left it in smart mode. Infrared light mode we've left us on. You can turn it off if you require. Don't really know why you do that, but the option is there. Smart IR, you can change the threshold to the smart IR, day to night and light to day thresholds. They can all be set. Leave them as default in my opinion, especially for the testing phase. Go to save and exit, and then again, iris open. That is the camera now set up. Under configuration of the DVR, and again, it's not specific to this DVR, this is any compatible DVR Hikvision does. Video and audio, you can see there for camera 4 is 5 megapixel, and we've just set it to highest. 12 frames per second, absolutely perfect for a residential small commercial. 12 frames per second is very standard these days. Again, so you can go to OSD and we'll name it. So we'll call it 3K Smart Hybrid. Can't even speak, look guys, mental. Go like that, save it. And again, you know the drill. So under event, SMD, Smart Motion Detection, we're going to go to the line crossing for camera 4. And look what I did the name wrong. Typical Russian, see? Leave that like that. Now I need to change that. I'll do it that way. Should have done this before, really. There we go. So back to event, back to SMD, select camera 4. I've already drawn a line cross, and of course I did it just to make sure it worked before I made the video. That's pretty standard, to be honest. Enabled line crossing. Detection is human or vehicle. You choose whatever is applicable to you. Draw your line. I've just drawn a basic one for demonstration. Arming schedule, fill it in as appropriate, and then linkage action. There's nothing to do other than if you want it to notify the app, make sure that's ticked and click save. That is pretty much it, to be honest, guys. Go back to live view. We're going to open up this full screen. Now, because of the light these two monitors I'm using to record the screen option will affect that camera, I'm going to turn you around a little bit. And I'm going to put this bag across this big screen here to block out some of the light. What we will do as well is quickly, I'm going to stop the video so we got a reference point. Okay, so we're going to go and turn the lights off in the demo room. Pretty standard, you've seen this before. It will go into infrared mode. It might take a couple of seconds to switch into infrared mode. Then you'll see the quality of the image in infrared. And then what we will do, because we're recording, if I just make this full screen, there you go, something even better to look at. Hello. It'll go into infrared mode. Then I'll walk over the line. It'll trigger it into white light. Then I'll come back. It'll take around a minute to go back into infrared mode. So it's just a quick demonstration of how simple it is and the positive effect it has on the image. So let's go for it. Okay, so that camera is now in infrared mode. I can already see just over the screen myself. It is now in infrared mode. You can see the clarity of the image. Standard infrared we've used for many years. Now, this is where the benefit comes in. If I walk across this line, the color view technology kicks in, the white light comes on, and will change to a color enhanced image. Let's go. And that just came on, as you can see. So as I go to it, it attracts me to look at the camera, so I get a better quality of evidence. It's in color. You can see the effect that has on the image. Hopefully you can see me in full color, doing a little dance. There we go. It's in full color. And now we're just going to wait for it. Now I've triggered it. We're going to sit and wait for this to now go back into infrared mode. It does take about a minute. So apologies about this, guys. Come on, everything takes so long. Now that's it now. So you can see there, the white light slowly phases out, returns back to the infrared image. You get less noise pollution, doesn't draw attention to the property, and it doesn't become a nuisance. And that is the power of the new smart hybrid turbo camera technology. And again, if I walk across this line, you can see I'm in black and white, infrared image. As I go across now, there we go, it's triggered the line, and we're back to normal. So I'm going to turn the lights back on. And that is pretty much it, guys. The power of the color view technology with the smart hybrid built in and that cool super 4-channel E-DVR. If you want to know more, get in contact with the DVS sales rep. We're really excited to be able to offer these brand new technologies. It's definitely the key focus moving forward for the turbo range. We look forward to seeing the results and see how happy you and your customers are. If you want to know more information, get in contact with DVS at contact@dvs.co.uk, or your DVS sales rep will be able to give you more information. Other than that, have a lovely week, and we'll see you next week for another how-to video. Thanks, everyone.